made it to the Batu Caves today, which is really exciting. If you look behind me, there's a little temple and there's another little temple with a green dude. But that's actually not the exciting stuff. This is a little bit of renovations and or new construction going on here as well. Just a few pigeons. Much better view of the big statue and the steps up to the Batu Caves. Climbing, 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 and more climbing. Climbing up the stairs. Monkey. Made it to the top. Definitely recommend doing it early morning when the stairs are in shade. Good recommendation. And remember to go to the dark caves just off the side when you get near the top. The trapdoor spiders that live here are categorized as living fossils because unlike present-day spiders, they have segmented abdomens that possibly date back to the Carnivorous 360 to 286 million years ago. I'm doing the educational tour today. You probably can't see much of my face because it's dark. We're at the entrance of the cave. You can also book an adventure tour for a 3 to 4 hour trip inside the cave where you go crawling and creeping inside and you see this rare trapdoor spider. Ready to go in the cave. Pit viper snake. Out of the caves. It was really awesome, but it's super busy now, heaps of people, so definite travel tip, get here early. 10 AM is when the gates open, and I think it was 10:20, 10:25 when we went in, but there was already people waiting because we bought tickets, we went, and there's already a lineup, so get here early.